Hello everyone, I am Shreyashi Taravdar. Today I want to discuss about spices, mainly Indian spices. Generally, spices are strongly flavored aromatic substance come from tropical plants. In India, we call spices as masala. India has been famous for many spices for many years. Spices are mostly used as flavoring agents in different types of foodstuffs such as curries, bakery products, pickles, processed meats and fish, beverages, etc. Spices contain essential oil and oleoresins. And essential oil contain different volatile and non-volatile oil, but oleoresin contain only non-volatile oil and resin. Spices have both good and bad effects. Spices can easily enhance the flavors of the food. Some spices possesses antioxidant properties, while others used as preservatives in some foods like pickles and different chutneys. Some other spices have antimicrobial properties, and those types of spices are used in preservation of meat and fish. Those types of spices prevent food spoilage easily. Many spices also possesses important physiological and medicinal properties. Next, types. Indian spices are classified into three types: major spices, minor spices, and aromatic spices. Major spices are white pepper, black pepper, cardamom, ginger, chilies, turmeric. Minor spices are ajwain, coriander, cumin, cinnamon, fenugreek, garlic, mustard, cloves, onion. And aromatic spices. Aromatic spices imparts a typical flavor and aroma in the foodstuffs. Aromatic spices are mace, nutmeg, bay leaves, cinnamon, saffron, black pepper, cloves, green cardamom. Major spices are mainly used in daily basis food. Those type of spices have different kinds of health effects, both beneficial and harmful. Next, black pepper. Black pepper is the dried fruit of plant Pipermigum. The pungency of pepper is due to the resin chevicin. The typical aroma of black pepper is contributed generally by the volatile oil. The major components in black pepper oil are alpha pinene, beta pinene, 1-alpha phenylene, piperenol, etc. Black pepper also contain piperine. Piperine is the major constituent of pepper oleoresin. Piperine is the most abundant alkaloid in pepper. It has a yellow crystalline structure. Black pepper has also health benefits. Pepper in hot tea could be best remedy for the common cold. Next, turmeric. Turmeric is the root of the plant Curcuma domestica. Turmeric belongs to the ginger family. It is basically dried ribosome. Mainly turmeric imparts a yellow color in the food. Curcumin is the main coloring matter which is present in the turmeric. The typical aroma of turmeric imparted by a turmeric. Turmeric is an antioxidant due to its phenolic character. It acts as a carminative and inhibits gastric secretion. In high dilutions, it has antibacterial properties and it has been applied for cleaning wounds. Next, chilies. Chilies are the most pungent spices. One of the important variety is capsicum annuum. The typical pungency is contributed by capsaicin. Capsaicin is present in chilies. Capsaicin is present in the inner wall of the fruit and not in the seeds. If capsaicin is heated, then the vapor irritates the eyes and the mucous membranes of the respiratory tract. Chilies in large amount can produce gastritis, also causes exfoliation of stomach lining. Chilies is not good for piles patient. Chilies can increase the flow of salivary amylase, which helps the digestion of starchy foods. Chilies also contain vitamin C and vitamin A. Vitamin A is good for our eyes and vitamin C is good for our skin and also good for our immune system. Next, cumin. The dry fruits of Cuminum cyminum is cumin. Cumin contains thymol. Cumin is normally used for cooking. Cumin also contains essential oil and oleoresin. The essential oil content of cumin seed range 2.3 to 5.0. The typical aroma and warm flavor of cumin contributed by the essential oil content. That oil contain cuminaldehyde, terpenins, alpha-pinene, beta-pinene, limonene, etc. Cumin also contain the oleoresin of cumin is brownish to yellowish green in color, and oleoresin contains fatty acids, oleic acid and linoleic acid, and also contain flavonoid, glycosides, tannin, resins and gum. Cumin is also good for our health. Cumin water is commonly used as a carminative. It is also given to children in doses of 1 or 2 teaspoons after each feed to prevent intestinal colic. Next, ginger. Ginger or adrak is the dried underground stem or rhizome of the Gingiva officinale plant. The rhizomes are irregular and are formed at a shallow depth in the soil. It contains both oleoresin and essential oil. The pungency of ginger is contributed by the gingerol, which is the component of oleoresin, and essential oil of ginger contains monoterpenes, oxygenated terpenes, sequestered terpenes. Ginger is one of the most important and oldest spices. It is normally used in dried, preserved and green forms. We normally use ginger for its pleasant aroma and pungency. It is also used in curries, pickles and soft drinks, and it is also used in alcoholic beverages. Ginger powder works on motion sickness, and ginger also have antimicrobial activity. Next, garlic. Garlic is obtained from the bulb of the plant Allium sativum. It is normally used as a flavoring agent for cooking, but it also has medicinal properties. Garlic contain high amount of sulfur agent, which is called as allicin. The typical peculiar odor of garlic is contributed by the breakdown product of allicin. The quantity of allicin released may vary tenfold depending on the extraction method used. Some garlic may not have the peculiar odor. Garlic also have different types of health effects. Allicin inhibits the growth of gram-negative and gram-positive bacteria. Allicin can suppress intestinal bacterial activity in diarrhea and flatulence. Garlic was used before the antibiotic era in the treatment of bronchitis and lung abscess. Garlic juice diluted with water has sometimes been used as a lotion for cleaning wounds. And garlic also lowers the level of LDL cholesterol, which is not good for our health. LDL cholesterol is not good for our health, and garlic can easily lower it. Garlic inhibits the platelet aggregation. The compound ajoin, which is isolated from the alcoholic extract of garlic, has a platelet anti-aggregation effect. Next, coriander. Coriander is the spherical dried fruit of the plant Coriandrum sativum. It is normally used in cooking. Coriander contains essential oil and oleoresin. Essential oil contains volatile compound like D-linalool contained ranged from 60 to 70%. And alpha pinene, beta pinene, alpha and gamma terpenes also present in coriander. Coriander has also some health benefits. Coriander can lower the bad cholesterol level and increase the good cholesterol level. Coriander is very good for our digestive system. Coriander has also antiseptic properties which helps to cure mouth ulcer. Next is black mustard. Black mustard is obtained from the seeds of plants Brassica nigra. Mustard is normally used in cooking. Mustard oil also used in cooking, and which is good for cardiovascular health. The spice value of mustard seeds is due to the thiocyanates which are present in mustard as glycosides and are released by the action of an enzyme. The whole seeds after drying are normally used in preserving, seasoning and pickling. Mustard also lowers the blood sugar level. It is good for our digestive health, and mustard oil good for our cardiovascular health. It contains vitamin A, vitamin K and vitamin C. Vitamin A is good for our health. Vitamin and also vitamin A, K and C also reduce the aging problem. Next, nutmeg or jaifal. Nutmeg is a dried kernel derived from the seed of the tree Myristica fragrans. It is normally used as a flavoring agent, and it also acts as a carminative. Nutmeg has active toxic factor called myristicin. Even a teaspoon of nutmeg can produce toxic symptoms. Nutmeg is a potent inhibitor of prostaglandin synthesis. Next, mace. Mace is obtained from the tree Myristica fragrans. It is a dried reticulated aril part of the fruit. It has a warm flavor, and it contains terpenes and aromatics. Next, bay leaves. Bay leaves or tejpata is obtained from the evergreen tree Cinnamomum tamala. The leaves of this tree is the spice having clove-like taste and pepper-like odor. The leaf is generally used for flavoring foods like meat dishes, and it is also used in garam masala. Next is cinnamon. Cinnamon is the dried brown inner bark of the tree Cinnamomum zealandicum. It normally contains over 1% oil, mainly cinnamonic aldehyde. Cinnamon is generally used to impart flavor to food, and it is also act as a carminative. Next, saffron. Saffron is obtained from Crocus sativus. Saffron or kesar consists of gold or yellowish red stigmas of the flower of Crocus sativus. Saffron is produced in India to a limited extent. It has been used as a spice or dye. Saffron contains a glycoside crocin, which is the chief coloring principle. The flavor and spice value are due to the volatile and fixed oils present to the extent of 1.4 and 13.4% respectively. Saffron have anti-cancer properties and antidepressant activity. It can reduce inflammation. Next, cloves. Cloves are the dried flower buds of the plant Eugenia caryophyllata. They are dark brown in color, about 1 centimeter long, with bulbous ends, and normally normally used for imparting flavor to food and for their carminative action. Clove buds contain 16 to 17% essential oils, which contain 90 to 95% of eugenol. The spice value of cloves is generally due to its volatile oil. Cloves have antiseptic and antimicrobial properties, and used for the cure of toothache, and also used in skin anesthesia. Next, cardamom or elaichi. Cardamom is derived from the seed of the plant Elateria cardamomum. It has a typical flavor, and it also used as a mouth freshener. Cardamom essential oil is obtained from the volatile compounds of cardamom. The main component of essential oil are limonene, 1,8-cineol, alpha-terpinyl acetate. Cardamom acts as a carminative. Next, asafoetida or hing. Asafoetida contains essential oil, gum, and resin. It generally oozes out when the head of the plant Ferula asafoetida is cut. Asafoetida has a typical and peculiar strong odor, which is liked by few people, and normally used in cooking. It helps in digestion, and it acts as a carminative. If you like this video, please do like and share, and for more contents, please subscribe the channel.